Welcome to Festive Phrases from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Mark, and each day of December, I'm bringing you a festive phrase in a different language. Today I'm with Roxana, because we are learning Romanian.
Bună, mă numesc Roxana. Ce faci, Mark?
Eu fac foarte bine. Mulțumesc. I'm very well, thanks. Romanian is spoken in Romania, obviously, and also in Moldova. Just like Swedish, Danish, and Norwegian are closely linked to each other, Romanian is from the same family as French, Italian, and Spanish, so many words sound similar in these languages. Now, if you're thinking that you've never heard Romanian spoken before, you may well have heard it sung. If you know the song, Maya hi, Maya hu, Maya ha, Maya ha ha, because the verses in that song are sung in Romanian. I think it's time to get on with today's festive phrase. So, Roxana, can you tell us how you would say Happy New Year in Romanian?
Un an nou fericit.
Let's hear this again, please.
Un an nou fericit.
So you can now add Romanian to the list of languages in which you can give a festive greeting. Let's add our Romanian speakers to the map. There are over 23 million Romanian speakers, and if we add them to the number of speakers of the other languages we've already covered on festive phrases, our grand total is 1,693,160,099 people around the world to whom you can send a festive greeting this winter. We'll be back again tomorrow with another language in the same family as Romanian, and that language is Italian. So, until then, thank you and goodbye.
Mulțumesc și la revedere!
Festive Phrases is brought to you by the Radiolingua Network. If you would like to find out more about learning a language anytime, anywhere with Radiolingua, please visit our website on radiolingua.com. To find out about our workshops and products for schools, please visit radiolinguaschools.com.